Right, you lot! Welcome to our culinary journey through South Africa. We're about to embark on a culinary adventure where the flavors are bold, the spices are fiery, and the meat is cooked to perfection. Today we're diving into the top 10 national dishes you must try. The kind of food that'll make your taste buds sing and have you booking a one-way ticket to Cape Town. First up, we've got Bobotie. Now, don't let the name fool you. This is no ordinary dish. A rich, flavorful mince, simmered with spices, and baked to perfection with a creamy golden egg topping. It's the kind of dish that'll have you going back for seconds. Give this South African classic a go. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you for it. Next, we're talking Biltong. Now, I know what you're thinking. Biltong? Sounds like some kind of cheap beef jerky. You listen to me. Biltong is in a league of its own. This is air-dried meat seasoned with coriander, pepper, and a touch of magic, resulting in a flavor that's out of this world. It's chewy, it's savory, and it's bloody addictive. You can find it everywhere in South Africa, from petrol stations to fancy restaurants. So ditch that mass-produced jerky and get yourself some proper biltong. Now let's talk Boerewors. This is South Africa's answer to the humble sausage. But let me tell you, it's in a different league altogether. We're talking coarsely ground meat, a blend of spices that'll blow your mind, and a taste that screams braai. That's right, no South African barbecue is complete without Boerewors sizzling away on the grill. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. It's juicy, it's flavorful, and it's the perfect companion to a cold beer on a hot day. Listen up, because this next one is a real game changer. It's called Bunny Chow, and no, it doesn't involve any cute, furry creatures. A loaf of fresh, crusty bread, hollowed out and filled with steaming hot curry. It's as delicious as it sounds. Whether mild or spicy, there's a Bunny Chow for you. The perfect comfort food for any appetite. Now, if you're looking for a side dish that packs a punch, then look no further than Chakalaka. This vibrant relish is a flavor bomb of epic proportions. We're talking onions, tomatoes, peppers, and a blend of spices that'll set your taste buds on fire. Chakalaka is the perfect accompaniment to just about anything. It's traditionally served with bread, pap, or meat, but don't be afraid to get creative. This is South African sunshine in a bowl. Right, let's talk about something sweet. Koeksisters. Are you ready for this? These are little pieces of heaven, deep-fried to golden perfection and drenched in a sticky, sweet syrup. One bite and you'll be hooked. They're crispy on the outside, soft and chewy on the inside, and they're the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth. Be warned though, Koeksisters are seriously addictive. Next up, we have Malva Pudding, a true South African classic. This sticky sweet pudding is the stuff of legends. Light, fluffy, and drenched in a creamy custard sauce, it's the perfect way to end a meal. Whether you're after a comforting dessert or a sweet treat with your afternoon tea, Malva Pudding is the answer. It's like a warm hug on a plate. Now, for a true taste of South Africa, you have to try pap and Sheba. Pap, a creamy cornmeal porridge, might not sound that exciting, but trust me on this one. It's the perfect base for a rich and flavorful tomato and onion relish known as Sheba or Chakalaka. This is a dish that's close to the heart of every South African. It's simple, it's hearty, and it's bursting with flavor. Get ready for Sosaties, South Africa's answer to the kebab. These are skewers of marinated meat, grilled to perfection and bursting with flavor. We're talking tender chunks of lamb, beef, or chicken, marinated in a blend of spices that'll make your taste buds sing. Sosaties are perfect for a braai, a picnic, or just a casual meal with friends and family. The combination of tender meat and smoky char-grilled flavor is simply irresistible. Last but not least, we've got Vetkoek. These are deep-fried dough bread that are crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and absolutely irresistible. You can enjoy them savory, filled with minced meat or cheese, or sweet, with a dusting of sugar or a drizzle of syrup. Vetkoek is the ultimate South African comfort food. It's the kind of food that makes you feel warm and fuzzy inside. Trust me, one bite and you'll be hooked. Well, there you have it, you lot. The top 10 South African dishes that will have you booking a flight quicker than you can say lekker. From the rich and flavorful Bobotie to the sweet and sticky Koeksisters, South African cuisine is a melting pot of flavors. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself to South Africa and experience these culinary delights. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.